Topic 4, Assessment Practice. Name. Number 1. A credit card is 76 hundredths of a millimeter thick. How thick is a stack of 10 to the third credit cards? Explain. Number 2. Leo has 59 bricks, each measuring 19 hundredths of a meter long. He lines up the bricks to make a row. A. Estimate the length of Leo's row of bricks. Write an equation to model your work. B. Find the actual length of the row of bricks. Number 3. Susan colored in the decimal grid shown below. Write an expression that shows the area she colored. Then evaluate the expression. Number 4. Match each expression on the left with its product. 5 times 8 hundredths, 5 tenths times 8 hundredths, 50 times 8 tenths, 5 times 8 tenths, 4, 40, 4 tenths, 4 hundredths. Number 5. Michelle bought 4 6/10 yards of fabric. Each yard of fabric cost $4.95. How much did Michelle spend on fabric? Enter your answer in the box. Number 6. Choose all the expressions that are equal to 75 hundredths times 5 tenths. 5 over 10 times 75 over 10. 5 over 10 times 75 over 100. 5 over 100 times 75 over 100. 50 over 100 times 75 over 100. 75 over 100 times 5 over 10. Number 7. Select each equation that the number 2 to the second power makes true. 31 thousandths times blank equals 31. 501 thousandths times blank equals 501. 4 8 hundredths times blank equals 408. 97 hundredths times blank equals 97. 55 hundredths times blank equals 550. Number 8. Nadia drew a square in her notebook. Each side measured 2 5/10 centimeters. A. What is the perimeter of Nadia's square? Write an equation to model your work. B. What is the area of Nadia's square? Write an equation to model your work. Number 9. Match each expression on the left with its product. 3 4 hundredths times 2 to the second power. 304 thousandths times 10 to the fourth. 3 4 hundredths times 10. 304 thousandths times 10. 3 4 hundredths. 30 4 tenths. 304. 3040. Number 10. Select all the expressions that are equal to 9 hundredths times 4 tenths. 9 over 100 times 4 over 10. 4 over 10 times 9 over 100. 4 over 100 times 9 over 100. 40 over 100 times 9 over 100. 9 over 10 times 4 over 10. Number 11. One glass of lemonade has 115 calories. How many calories are in 3 5/10 glasses of lemonade? Write an equation to model your work. Number 12. Natalie likes to mail lots of postcards when she goes on vacation. In 2014, the cost of a postcard stamp was 34 cents. A. Natalie buys 10 postcard stamps. What is the total cost of the stamps? Explain. B. Natalie and her friends decide to buy 100 postcard stamps. What will be the total cost of the stamps? Explain. Number 13. Without doing the multiplication, match each expression on the left with the correct product. Use number sense to help you. 8 32/100 times 1 15/100, 5 78/100 times 35/100, 6 12/100 times 4 85/100, 7 95/100 times 2 48/100, 19 716 29 682 thousandths, 2 23 thousandths, 9 568 thousandths.